Every Odoo business eventually reaches the same point. Someone needs a feature that doesn't exist yet. It might be a new report, a dashboard, a menu, or a small customization, but the process is usually the same. You explain the requirement, wait for development, review the result, request changes, and repeat until everything finally works. But what if your AI could deliver the feature instead? Here I am using Claude through the KSRO Labs MCP server, and I'll describe exactly what I need in plain English. I'll ask, using the Odoo MCP server, generate a module that creates a sub-menu inside sales. The menu should be called SalesPerson, and inside that, there should be a view of all salespeople together with their total sales. Claude processes the requirement, generates a complete Odoo module, and packages everything into a ready-to-install zip file. There's no need to manually write Python, build XML views, configure access rules, or prepare the module structure. We simply download the generated package. Next, we add it to our Odoo environment, update the apps list, and install the module. Once the installation is complete, the feature is live. Inside the sales application, there's now a brand new salesperson menu displaying every salesperson together with their total sales, exactly as requested. This is the real value of AI-powered module generation. The result isn't just a block of code or a technical suggestion. It's a working Odoo feature that can be downloaded, installed, and used inside the business. Whether you prefer Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cursor, or another compatible AI model, the workflow through the KSRO Labs MCP server remains the same. Describe the feature your business needs, generate the module, and install it in Odoo. Your AI doesn't just answer questions about Odoo. It helps you build what Odoo is missing.